GMC Terrain électrical problème. Watch this video to find the correct fuse and relay location for 2010 to 2017 models. Welcome back to Car Fuse Tap. Here you'll find complete fuse box diagrams, relay locations, wiring diagrams, and troubleshooting guides for all types of vehicles. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Passenger compartment fuse box. You'll find the fuse box for the instrument panel on the passenger side panel of the center console. To access the fuses, just open the fuse panel door from the passenger side by pulling it out.